recorded at Bayou Benview, Louisiana. In Mississippi, a maximum storm surge of 9 to 10 feet was recorded. Zeta continued to trek inland, providing heavy rain and damaging winds across Alabama, Florida, and Georgia. At one point, over 2.6 million were without power. Zeta left many with property damage and homes destroyed. Unfortunately, this storm also turned fatal. 6 lives were lost. The Blue Ridge and Silverado fires started on October 26th in Orange County, California.
Okay, ready.
As of Monday, November 2nd, firefighters have the 2 wildfires nearly contained at 93%. Strong winds and low relative humidity allowed the fires to gain strength rapidly. The Blue Ridge fire burned through nearly 14,000 acres of land, destroying 1 home and 10 structures in its path. The Silverado fire burned through over 12,000 acres, damaging 12 structures. And New England sees its first snowfall of the season. A rare October snowstorm brought wintry conditions across New England this Halloween weekend. 4.5 to 6.5 inches of snow fell across northeastern Connecticut, northern Rhode Island, and into central and eastern Massachusetts. Near record low temperatures followed the next morning. The low temperature dropped to 21 degrees in Hartford, Connecticut, tying the record low set in 1988. In Providence, Rhode Island, the temperature dropped to 24 degrees, which tied the record low set back in 1966.
The tropics have been extremely active this year. Meteorologist Brandon Woolley updates us on yet another tropical system.
Thanks very much, Mike. Well, you can see the latest on Tropical Depression Eta from the National Hurricane Center. You can see it's still residing over land, partly over water there across Central America. Just a few days ago, it was a major hurricane, made landfall as a Category 4. This season is reminding us of 2005 all over again. You can see the current forecast here over the next couple of days. Back out over the warm waters, right over Cuba. And then you can see those winds strengthening to around 60 miles per hour. Still tropical storm status. Now, to become a Category 1 hurricane, we need those winds upwards of 74 miles per hour. So definitely a lot of wet weather, strong winds around Cuba for early next week. And it could be flirting with the southern and southwestern coast of Florida. We'll keep you posted here over the next couple of days as this track continues to change.
Thanks for subscribing and watching the Top 3. Again, this happens each week where we will highlight the 3 big weather stories across the nation.